Welcome to our video. In this video, Dreametech H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, Smart Floor Cleaner Cordless Vacuum, and Mop for hard floors. One-step edge to edge cleaning with hot air drying. About this item, new hot air drying technology set the H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum in place, then press the button to start the self-cleaning process. The brush is dried by hot air drying in 1 hour, giving no work to your hands. Edge to edge cleanings with an enhanced dual-edge cleaning brush. 12 Pro specializes in dealing with hard. Pro specializes in dealing with hard. Reach region and cleaning close to baseboards and deep into corners. Long running time, a 64000 mAh battery pack delivers 35 means running time of cleaning every time of cleaning, every time. A 900 ml clean water tank makes it possible to clean a 155th 2 area every day without having to recharge or reload. Runtime is based on laboratory testing done by Dreametech. Smart messes detection with the help of a sophisticated sensor. The H12 Pro optimizes power usage, cleaning performance, and noise levels by adjusting suction in response to the mess it detects. Clean intelligently to get rid of spills, hair, debris, dirt, and dust. Effectively prevent windings. The H12 Pro's included serrated brush scraper maintains the brush roller clean while in use by picking up debris and pulling them off to the spent water tank, which can help to some extent prevent hair from winding on the brush. Product links are on the description box, so you can buy based on your budget range or check product details